Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's video, we will be making some napkin holders for Thanksgiving using a Cricut Maker 3. You can also make this project using any machine in the Cricut or Silhouette lineups. All you'll need for this project is a package of wooden rings and some firm cardstock. The one that I'm using today is glitter cardstock. Cut out a piece of cardstock that's slightly larger than your cut size. Stick the cardstock down to the mat and have your Cricut cut out the design. For this project, I set my Cricut Maker 3 to glitter cardstock and it cut perfectly. Take the excess cardstock off using the Cricut lifter tool and then carefully remove the leaves off the mat. I picked up this package of wooden rings at the dollar store. We just have to take a ring and use a glue gun to stick a leaf onto it. Once the napkin rings are cool, just roll up a napkin and put them on. This project may be little, but it will make a big impact on your table this Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.